This is all that's left of A6. The A and B buildings are both gone. They're all burnt out, A and B. Haven't went up and seen C yet, but A and B are all gone. Across the street is okay for the most part. All the buildings are intact. You know, check out the subdivision which first got caught on fire. That's where everything happened. That whole subdivision is gone, except for one house. That one house is still standing and untouched. But there's devastation all around it. There's still some smoldering ashes around.